Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to start with a new topic, that is hormones in human body. Hormones in human body are basically chemical substances that carries out various functions of human body. Hormones which are secreted by various organs of the human body. They carry out various activities of body like growth, reproduction and digestion. They assist in various functions of the body. Hormones are basically secreted by two important glands. They include endocrine and exocrine glands. Exocrine glands are glands which have ducts, that is, they appear tube-like structures. They are mostly present on the epithelium, that is near the skin surfaces. Examples of exocrine glands include salivary glands, mammary glands, digestive system, sweat glands, etc. Endocrine glands. Endocrine glands are ductless glands, that is, they do not have any tube to secrete hormones. These glands directly secrete hormones into human blood, and through blood these hormones spread and circulate throughout the human body. For example, pituitary gland, thyroid gland, parathyroid. In this topic we are going to mainly cover important hormones of endocrine system, that is endocrine glands. They include pituitary gland, pineal gland, thyroid and parathyroid gland, thalamus and adrenal glands. Pituitary gland is located in forebrain, that is front side of our brain, in form of tiny particle which is controlled by part of forebrain which is called as hypothalamus. Various important hormones are secreted by pituitary glands. They include growth hormones, thyroid stimulating hormone, prolactin, luteinizing hormone, follicle stimulating hormone and adrenocorticotropic hormones, that is hormones which are secreted by adrenal glands in kidney. Let's start with thyroid gland. Thyroid gland is located on either side of trachea, which is a part of respiratory tract, that is respiratory system. Thyroid glands secrete two important hormones. They include thyroxine, that is scientifically called as tetraiodothyronine or T4, and triiodothyronine, that is T3. Among them, thyroxine play a very important role in normal growth of bones of human body. Simultaneously, it carries out regulation of proteins, carbohydrates and fats in the human body. Thyroxine also controls various activities of cell in the human body along with maintaining water balance in the body. Iodine play a very essential, that is important part in synthesis of these two essential hormones. Deficiency of iodine causes a condition called hypothyroidism, which is commonly called as goiter. Hypothyroidism affects small children and adults by causing various defects like deaf and mutinism, mental retardedness, cretinism, that is stunted growth, irregular menstrual cycle in females and causes defective development during pregnancy. Hypothyroidism is a condition which is caused due to abnormal, that is excess synthesis of thyroid hormones. It affects various physiological activities of the human body. It causes nervousness, anxiety, weight loss, loss of sleep and loss of appetite. Pineal gland. Pineal gland secretes a hormone called melatonin. Melatonin helps in maintaining the normal rhythm, that is normal cycle like sleep and wake cycle, along with maintaining body temperature. Melatonin also influences metabolism, that is metabolic activities in the human body, pigmentation, that is color of the skin, menstrual cycle, and also it influences, that is enhances defense capability, defense mechanism of the human body. Thymus glands secrete hormones called thymoxin. Thymoxins play a very major and important role in differentiation, that is development of T lymphocytes, which carry out cell-mediated immunity. That is, these cells play a very important role in maintaining immune system of the human body. Thymoxins also promotes production of antibodies to provide humoral immunity. Thymus loses its capacity, that is, its capacity of hormone secretion decreases in old age. As a result, immune responses of old people are weak. Parathyroid glands, which are situated backside of thyroid gland, secrete hormones called parathyroid hormones that control circulation of calcium ions in various parts of body like bones of the human body, absorption and reabsorption of digested food, and renal tubules, that is a part of kidney, play a very important role in maintaining calcium levels in the human body. Adrenal glands. Human body has one pair of adrenal glands which are present above kidney. The gland is composed of two types of tissues. The centrally located tissue is called adrenal medulla, and the outside this lies adrenal cortex. Let's have quick revision of the basic facts, that is, cell is basic unit of life while group of specialized cells further form tissues. Tissues of adrenal glands, which is present above kidney, play very important role in synthesis of essential hormones. Let's start with hormones which are secreted by adrenal medulla, which includes adrenaline or epinephrine, which are derived from amino acids. These amino acids are obtained from proteins that we obtain from the food we consume, while noradrenaline or non-epinephrine are not directly obtained from amino acid. They are obtained by indirect synthesis. Both these hormones are rapidly secreted in response to stress or during any kind of emergency situation and are called as emergency hormones or hormones of fight or flight. Both these hormones increases alertness, increases the heartbeat, increases the strength of heart contraction and the rate of respiration. Outer and inner adrenal cortex play a very important role in synthesis of some essential hormones, and they are commonly called as corticoids. Corticoids play a very important role in regulating water balance, simultaneously regulating and maintaining cardiovascular system, kidney system in the body. These hormones include glucocorticoids. Glucocorticoids stimulates that they give rise and control synthesis of carbohydrate, fats and proteins in the human body, while mineralocorticoids controls and maintains water and electrolyte level, water and electrolyte balance in the body. Another important hormones of adrenal glands are in form of steroids, and they are aldosterone. Aldosterone reabsorbs various essential ions, maintains electrolyte balance and osmotic pressure and blood pressure in the human body. Underproduction of hormones which are obtained and secreted by adrenal cortex alters, that is, it affects carbohydrate mechanism, causing acute weakness and fatigue, leading to a condition called Addison's disease. This figure shows various organs which are included in the gastrointestinal tract, which carry out various important functions like digestion and absorption of the food. They include liver, stomach, gallbladder, pancreas, small intestine, large intestine. Many endocrine cells are present in different parts of gastrointestinal tracts which secrete various important hormones. They include gastrin, which is obtained from gastric glands, which gives rise to secretion of hydrochloric acid, and pepsinogen, which helps in breaking down food and digesting of food, while pepsinogen helps in breaking down of proteins in the body. Secretin stimulates secretion of water and bicarbonates ions in the body, while cholecystokinin, in short it is called as CCK, acts on both pancreas and gallbladder, stimulating secretion of pancreatic enzymes, pancreatic juice, bile juice respectively, which helps in breaking down of various lipids and assisting in lipids digestion of various micronutrients in our body. Pancreas present in the human body consists of both endocrine and exocrine glands. It is second largest gland in the human body. They secrete digestive juices that can digest all type of food materials like carbohydrate, proteins and fats. They consist of islets of Langerhans that secrete important hormones. Alpha cell secretes glucagon hormones that play an important role in maintaining normal blood glucose level. Beta cells secrete insulin hormones that controls process of making glycogen, which acts as source of energy in human beings from glucose. Deficiency of insulin leads to a condition called hypoglycemia that leads to a disorder commonly called as diabetes mellitus. Now let's start with hormones which are present in females and hormones which are present in males. Hormones secreted in females are called as follicle stimulating hormones. They include progesterone and oxytocin. Progesterone helps in stimulating growth of female ovarian follicle, that is, it helps in growth of female ovary, mammary glands, appearances of female behavior, female voice, especially high pitched voice. Progesterone hormone supports pregnancy by thickening lining of uterus. It also stimulates the formation of ovule, that is sac-like structure which stores milk, and it also helps in milk secretion. Oxytocin contracts, that is, they tighten smooth muscles of our body, assisting during childbirth. Hormones secreted by male reproductive parts are called as luteinizing hormones. Testis is a part of male reproductive system which produces hormones called testosterone. Testosterone play a very important role in sperm formation, that is male gametes. It also helps in developing other characteristics of males like growth of facial hair, low pitch voice, etc. Now we are going to study other important hormones in human body. Let's start with arterial natriuretic factor. In short, it is called as ANF. Arterial natriuretic factor is secreted by arterial walls of human heart. It helps in maintaining normal blood pressure in the human body. Somatotropic hormones. Somatotropic hormones are also called as growth hormones. They control growth of bones, height in human body. Over-secretion of these hormones stimulates, it causes abnormal growth of the body, leading to gigantism, that is excessive human height, and low secretion of this hormone results in stunted growth, resulting into dwarfism. Prolactin regulates and controls growth of mammary glands and milk formation. Antidiuretic hormones, in short it is called as ADH. ADH helps in maintaining water balance in body and reducing water loss through urine. Melanin stimulating hormone. This hormone helps in controlling melanin, that is skin color, and pigmentation on skin. This was it for this topic. If you have any doubt, please mention it in comments, and if you like it, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. See you in next topic. Thank you for watching it.